So standby queue is 45 minutes. We do have the single rider as well, which I rode yesterday. I might go and investigate whether the virtual line is up on the app as well. So I'm going to go and check that out first, and then we'll come back for some rides. You can walk all around these sort of Croatian ruins around the back here, get some magnificent views of Voltron travelling all around you. But this is the sweet spot through here. And there's also this sort of viewing turret here where you can get some fantastic shots and views of Voltron. So let's go up onto the viewing platform, take a look. Should we go and ride it? I think that's a good shout, isn't it? Well, we just saw the Tesla coils going off, and there's the inventor of Tesla, Elon Musk, growing a moustache. Since the last time I saw him. That was a joke, by the way. You don't need to correct me in the comments. So much hang time there. And yeah! Woo!
Wat wil niet zo heen?
Well, Voltron review. It's world class. See ya. For those that don't know, I actually did come back here in September with Joe from Theme Park Insanity. This was actually my 300th roller coaster, and it was a fantastic roller coaster to get as a landmark. I also came in last night and got a ride, which was a bit underwhelming. It was very stop-start. The pacing felt off, and when I got off, they actually closed the ride. So I think they may have had an issue with some of the launches because it just felt a bit off. Pleased to say it is riding absolutely beautifully today. That is such a world-class coaster, from the theming, the queue line, And then the experience itself, I mean, you've got that pre-launch section with the awesome electricity and the bouncing around on the track. You've then got that beyond vertical launch, which is madness. Really got yeeted out of my seat there as well, which is cool. And then I lose track of what happens. It's just a series of inversions and airtime hills and launches, and then a reverse launch and a turntable and all that sort of stuff. This combines so many insane elements into one experience. It's a worldie. It's really good, and I'm going to go and get more rides on it. It's a 30-minute queue now on the main line. I'd say the single rider probably took around that long anyway, so I think I might go do the main line and see if I can get a better row and maybe not be stuck on the outside seat like I have been this time. But yeah, Voltron. Come to Europa Park and ride Voltron. I think it puts this park on the map. You've now got a world-class coaster with a really strong support lineup. So I decided to join the main queue, get some better views of the entire queue line around here. There's just stuff going on all around. If you're going to have to stand in a cattle pen, then at least make it look good, and that's exactly what Europa Park has done. That is serious. Mate, your coaster's quite good. You get a fist bump. Well, my second ride of the day on Voltron, 7th in total now. Managed to sit on the right-hand side of the front row that time. That may have been the most intense ride I've had on Voltron yet. Certain elements, it really felt way more forceful over on that side. I think there was a couple where you kind of came over the track because you had an inversions that were kind of swinging right to left. But the wave turn in particular, because you're going up on the outside of it rather than coming underneath it or anything, whoo, that was fierce, really fierce. It is bloody freezing, so you really do feel it while you're up there, but it is running so amazingly well in this weather. That is a serious roller coaster, and something that anyone who enjoys roller coasters needs to come out to Europa Park to ride that. Don't get me wrong, it's intense, it's a lot. You certainly know you've been on something, but I love it.